What's up, my people? Bright and early, nice cool morning. Solo today, got a big day. I need about 4 men. It's getting tough. Got to try to find some guys, some good guys, you know. I need a skilled operator, you know, a couple grunts, you know. So here's where we're at this morning. Just bringing some pipe down in. Footings are all poured. And got to put interior footing drains in the sub pit. I'm all sweaty because I've been beating my brains out on shale and rocks trying to get this pit in to height. Look at, you see all the rock I've been pulling out of here. But I got it to height. So sub pit, you can see the rock. Check it out, all rock. I had to break it with a bar and a sledge. So get your pit in and the height you want to set this pit. Don't set it flush with this footing. Whatever you do, you'll be too low. Concrete will be going in it. Set it 3 to 4 inches above the footing because you're gonna have a 4-inch floor. I like to go about 1/2 inch to 1 inch lower, so if he ever has a spill in here, plumbing, anything, he could mop it into this and it will, the floor will just taper at the last second. You know what I mean? So it's just the lowest point on his floor. Angle your cutouts. So once this is level, once I get it level, which is about right there, your pipes are going to come along here on both sides, all the way around the white pipe. And then you're going to do a 22.5 or a 45, whatever it works out to be. Looks like it's going to be a 22. And you can plumb it right in there. Same as the other side, you just cut these out. All right, that's how I'm gonna pipe it in. Cut your notches out, 22.5, and that will run down the footing. Do the same on this side, backfill it, make sure you're at the right height for there, then run rest of the pipe around the foundation. Done. All right, that's all set. Backfill it with the existing soil, keep the level on it so you get it plumb. Get the other side on there, about halfway done. Make sure the holes are on the bottom. You see how they twist up when I start working here? Just go back around and you could just twist them. They're not directly on the bottom. They're like halfway up. So you just got to twist these, get them to where they got to be. Let me show you on a pipe. So here's your holes. If you see, they're not directly in the bottom. And these are the pipes we use for septic too. So you put this on the bottom and these are on the side like that. Capiche? All right, halfway done. Then it's stone time. All right, all the pipe is in place. Took about an hour, maybe less, probably an hour. Like I said, just level that up. Holes on the bottom, have enough 90s, get as tight as that, tight to that footing as you can. Yeah, you could cheat and go from there to there if you weren't me, but I'm not gonna do that. Same thing on these little jogs. You know, cost you 14 bucks in 90s just to get that little bit. You could go from here to there. Some guys will, but I will not. So, time to truck in some stone. I'm gonna move some dirt, start stockpiling stone there. It's gonna take 3.5, 4 loads of stone to fill this. We got to fill to the top of the footings. We're gonna come in down my ramp, build a pile of stone over the footing, come right in with the skid steer. All right, in the Kenny, just hauling some stone. Got another T800 in front of me climbing this hill. See if I can pull him. His says kiss my asphalt. I'm up on them. I've been running them down. We're both doing 45 up this big hill here. Staying the same. T800 versus T880. Oh yeah. All right, that's load one. Of course, it's starting to rain. I carved a road in here just to stay away from this bank because this bank wants to go. I don't know if you can see that. Try to stay away. Got a road coming down in there. We'll put stone over the footing to protect it. Run the stone in. Stone goes to the top of the footing, except for that back footing because that's another 4 inches higher, the underpin. Got Jimmo hauling a load for me. Nice size load right there. Number 2 stone. Get 2 more and that should do the basement. Grabbing my second load. Pulling Jimbo up or pushing him. Keep pushing me. He's on the CB. Keep pushing me. I'm pushing him up the hill. I'm pushing him. I got you, driver. I'll get you to the top. Don't worry. I think I got a... Don't worry, guys. We're only doing 25 up that hill. I was just pushing them up through the S-turns. Oh yeah. Raining. Hopefully we can get the stone down in that bottom, but I don't know if the skid steer will keep climbing out with this rain, but gotta get it done. Foundation guys are coming tomorrow. Let's see if he dogs up. Going 55. He's dogging. He's dogging. I gotta let out. Let out. Drop down to 40. Not good, Jimbo. Give that thing a pep talk. Either that or a can of ether. Make her scream, baby. Yeah, boys. Load 3. I got my work cut out for me, or I should say the skiddy does. Get all that stone down there. Looks like the sun's starting to creep out a bit. Leave my stone out, like I said, until I get these 3 going, and then I can put mine up here, you know. Jim, pull out and left. You'll be all right on them wires. Drop it down. Right there. Whoop. Drop it. Nice and nice. We got her. All right, I'm going to leave my stone on just because we don't have the room and we got wires up above. Getting it slowly but surely. See the road down in there. I put the road in, tried to smooth this road out a little bit better because it's annoying, vibrating me. So this is the play. Do about this about 150 times, maybe more. this leg. Well, I say almost done, almost installed, not graded. It's got to get graded and tamped. All right, got the stone all roughed and toughed in. Now I'm just gonna take a rake and shovel, get to my heights all the way around, cover the pipe, and then I'll be able to grade for the most part with the machine from that point on. I just wanted to get it in though. It took 3 trucks, so I got an extra truck on there. I thought it would take 3.5, but that is fine. May take a little. I still got a little bit up there in the driveway too, so let's see where we're at. All right, that's what's left over of the stone on 3 loads. Got it all full, about 1/4 inch or better high, so when we plate tamp it, it will be perfect. Gonna clean the footings now with a shovel and a blower, make the wall guys happy. All right, let's see what we got. I got the driveway all shined up and cleaned up, stockpiled the stone there. Footings all blown off. Let's get up on top, get a view. There it is, 10 inches of stone. Interior footing drains all the way leading to a sub pit, which will then be pumped out. All the footings are clean, nice and neat. Everybody will be happy tomorrow when they show up to work. All right, boys, catch you on the flip side. We got walls here tomorrow. They probably won't pour till Monday, he said, but I did another foundation that they already did the footings and the walls. You guys haven't seen that video yet. Didn't even edit it yet, but I did that before this one. I just got to get it going, but I got to get back over there and start backfilling that. All right, guys, we'll catch you on the flip side on one of these projects. Thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, please. Take care, everybody.